Rudyantar, for me, is more than just a movie. It is hope, aspirations, it's dreams, heartbreak, courage, strength, happiness, sorrow, love. Basically, a mix of every single emotion that can be felt by a human being. And not just any human being, but the one because of whom we are here this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, Rudyantar is the heart of Vikram Fadnis. And Vikram Fadnis is Rudyantar. So now let's take a little sneak peek into the heart of this amazing man. Let's watch the trailer. Ikade and Tikade are probably the most of Marathi that I know, so I will speak in English. Vikram has not been my friend for the past 30 years. And I have not motivated this film. This film has been motivated by Vikram and Vikram alone. His vision has motivated, in fact, all of us here on this stage. I would not have even considered deviating from what I was doing in my life at the point in time when Vikram approached me, if it had not been for his incredible vision and his clarity and the passion that he had in his eyes. I mean, he was just, which is why I say Rudyantar is the heart of this man. Vikram Fadnis is Rudyantar. And thank you for this incredible experience and also an experience of working with some of the finest actors I have ever worked with. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Ritik, this is Prerna from TV9 Marathi. Here.
Hi.
सिनेमात आप फिल्म में हैं, इस फिल्म में गेस्ट अपीयरेंस है आपका तो उस
Yes, this time I am playing a very small part in a very, very big film.
तो उस गेस्ट अपीयरेंस के वक्त कुछ मराठी सीखे हैं आप बोल पा रहे हैं अभी?
काश सीन में dialogues होते हैं which I would have wanted to understand and rehearse and learn. लेकिन the part which I have done is so beautiful in the film and so well expressed without a single word that we did not need any dialogues. So unfortunately, I did not get a chance to brush up my Marathi.
किती अस्वस्थ आणि किती हलते इतक्या हँडसम माणसाबरोबर आपण जेव्हा असतो तेव्हा युजली जे मुलींना होतं ते सगळं मला झालं पण
अभी आपने जो ये कैमियो किया है मराठी फिल्म में तो एज एन एक्टर अगर फ्यूचर में कुछ ऑफर आई तो करना चाहेंगे आप?
The impact of this has been so amazing. I think it's going to be very difficult for somebody else to impress me as much as Vikram has. So let's see.
So as a producer कोई फिल्म करना चाहेंगे आगे तो?
As I said, अगर मुझे impact किया as much as this film has, तो definitely, of course.
ऋतिक, आपने इस फिल्म से क्या मैसेज लिया और आपको इस फिल्म के बारे में व्हाट रुद्यांतर मीन्स टू यू?
I think मेरे ख्याल से मैंने दोबारा ये सीखा है कि if you have passion in your heart, then no wall is too high to climb. No boundary is too strong to cross. And again, I'm going on saying this because I am truly that much impacted by Vikram's vision in this film. His journey has been long, and it reaffirms my belief in the few things that have guided me in my life. That if you have a strong vision and if you believe in that vision and you strive every single day, brick by brick, to build something, it will happen. And today that has manifested. Well done, Vikram. Congratulations again.
ऋतिक ये भी स्पेशल फिल्म है, आपकी लास्ट फिल्म भी काफ़ी स्पेशल थी, काबिल। उस समय आपने एक अपील की थी कि डिसेबल लोगों के लिए आपने मल्टीप्लेक्स से अपील की थी कि कुछ फैसिलिटीज़ दी जाए। तो किस तरह से चल रहा है, आपने कुछ इनिशिएटिव लिया या कुछ चीज़ें हुई हैं उस चीज़ को लेकर?
मैंने बात की है विद Ajay Bijli and I have spoken, and I was very happy to know this evening, in fact, that this particular Audi that we are in is friendly for differently abled people to watch films in. So that's a very promising bit of news I heard. But yes, we are going to take that up in a very big way. We are still discussing and planning, but I do feel कि ये एक बहुत ही important चीज़ है, and we should do something about it in a big way, because they should not feel deprived of watching our cinema. You know, yeah. So hopefully soon I will have something more to say.
ऋतिक, मेरा सवाल है कि इसमें क्रिश का भी एक झलक देखने को मिली है। क्रिश को लेकर लोग काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हैं, अभी भी सस्पेंस बना हुआ है कि हीरोइन कौन होंगी। कभी प्रियंका का नाम, कभी कटरीना का नाम, कई लोगों का नाम आ रहा है। तो कोई फाइनलाइज्ड हुआ है क्रिश के लिए?
मैंने ऐसे सुना है कि मराठी हीरोइन होने वाली है। मराठी हीरोइन होगी अभी नेक्स्ट क्रिश के लिए, ऐसा मैंने सुना। एक इन्फॉर्मेशन जो मुझे।
तो आपका सवाल क्या था एक्चुअली?
हीरोइन कोई फाइनलाइज्ड हुई है क्रिश के लिए? जी, प्रियंका।
No, we are still working on the script right now. We've not reached that stage, but I will take that into consideration.
ऋतिक, अभी ये वीक में मराठी फिल्में 4 एक साथ रिलीज हो गई है। बॉलीवुड में ऐसा देखा नहीं जाता कि लाइक 2 फिल्में कभी मतलब ज़्यादा मतलब रिलीज होती नहीं है एक दिन पे ज़्यादा से। तो आपकी इस पर रिएक्शन क्या है, मतलब क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I think this means that I will have to very soon learn Marathi. I must learn the language and do more films. Your next one.
I must tell you that he was an absolute. I approached Hrithik and his father Rakesh ji quite some time ago because I wanted some help on this film, not for Hrithik to act in the film, and for Krish. And we worked that out. Time flew, everything got over, and then I said, I mean, why am I holding back? I'll just go. I'll just talk to him. If the maximum he'll say is no, and I was so used to rejections, I said it'll be the 18th time somebody will say no, but I will jolly well go and ask him that. And I went to his house and I said, I want 15 minutes of yours. And that 15 minutes became 1.5 hours. And he said, tell me one more scene, and tell me one more scene, and tell me one more. And he said, why would you think I would not even do this film? And I said, I don't know. I was just taking this chance that I hope you will be a part of this film. And he said, you just tell me the dates. I'm going to work this out. Whatever happens, I'm going to be a part of Hrudyantar. And trust me, when you see the film, you will know how Team Hrudyantar is really blessed to have him as a part of the film. Not only as an actor, but the way he just held my hand through. He shot on the last day of the film. He shot on the last day of the film. The packup was called on Hrithik's shot. And I still remember after that, getting to him was the easiest thing. I said, will you tweet my launch date? And he said, of course, yes. He was upset with me a few days ago when he said, how could you launch the teaser poster even without letting me know? I would have done it. So I just feel that sometimes actors cross their boundaries of just being an actor and a star. And that's the time you realize what a human being he is. Thank you.